If you want to use Gemini on OPPO Reno 15 Pro, then we have a couple of different ways to activate it. The first option is to simply go to the app drawer, and then in here you should be able to find the Gemini app. This is the first and main way to use it. Of course, if you go here for the first time, you will have this welcome message, and you have to confirm that you want to use Gemini. Now you can use the text over here, the text prompt over here, so you can write anything that you want to get out of Gemini. Over here we can also attach some files. And we have additional options in here at the bottom. You can use your microphone or use the live chat option, so you can talk to Gemini quite easily, have a conversation with Gemini. Besides that, you can also activate the Gemini by pressing and holding the power button. This is the default shortcut for the power button. So if you press and hold it, then you can activate Gemini, and the microphone will be used as well. And of course you can tap on the microphone in order to turn off the microphone if you want to, for example, type instead. Now, besides that, we can also use a widget. So if you press and hold your finger on an empty space on the home screen, then we can go to widgets in the bottom left corner. There we go. Then over here we can search for the Gemini, and then we can add this 2x2 widget quite easily. It can actually be resized as well. I'm going to actually place it on another page, like over here, and we can make it slightly bigger, so we also have access to certain shortcuts. And you can use Gemini like that as well. You can activate it quite easily. You can use the screen share option, the live mode that I mentioned before, and so on. Also, let's go back to the Gemini app. If you tap on the Google profile here in the upper right corner, then you can go to the settings, and then we should be able to find the Talk to Gemini hands-free option. And here we can find the Hey Google voice recognition. So if you turn it on, you can say Hey Google out loud in order to activate Gemini once you set it up. And last but not least, we also have a gesture that allows you to activate Gemini. You can swipe from the bottom left or bottom right corner of the phone inwards, just like that. And as you can see, we can activate the Gemini assistant like this as well. Now, this can actually be enabled or disabled. So if we go to System and Update, and then choose System Navigation, then in here you can find Digital Assistant from Google, which is this swipe gesture. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.